mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. December 11, 2024, Wednesday, racing. 7 races, lahat ng 7 karera, may distansyang 1,200 meter. Starting time ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. Bago po ang ating mga cool tips, happy birthday, masayang kaarawan sa iyo, bunso. Happy birthday, Chiwu. At pa-shout out kay Boss Teddy, Batang Bakog ng Nabotas City. Race number 1 is ang 3-year-old maiden race. First choice, baka manalo na rito. At ang po-foresight ko ay Banderang Tapos. Number 3, Road Safety. Second choice, number 4, Enough is Enough. Race number 2. First choice, number 6, Catherine. Second choice, number 7, Let It Shine. Third choice, number 3, Private Dining. Race 3. First choice natin, number 2, Golden Petita. Palagay ko nabatak ito sa nakaraang dating ng segundo. Second choice, number 4, Instant Notice. Race 4. First and only choice natin, number 6, Sound of Silence. Race 5. First choice, number 5, Star of the Future. Second choice, number 3, Success of Time. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentapekta. First choice, medyo hindi kagandahan ng huling takbo. Number 2, Raga Muffin. Second choice, yung bandera, malamang. Number 6, Don Pedro. Race 7, last race, race na may Super 6. First school choice natin dito, number 1, Unconditional Love. Second choice, number 8, Sting. Baka makarimati rito ng maganda. Third choice, Manonorpresa, pwede. Number 3, Amiable, Maxine. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!